Now the Material Manager, which is down here, the Material Manager contains all the materials for the scene. If you double click on the material icon, the material editor will open up so that you can edit the material. Now we're going to get into the various aspects of the material editor a little later in another segment, but for now just know that once you double click on the icon, this window pops up, and you'll notice that on this side of the material editor are a number of what are called channels, and each channel is different, affects the material in a different way. So right now we have 1, 2, 3, 4 different channels assigned to this particular texture, but we can add others or take them out and affect the strength of them and so forth. So every time you double click on a texture or a material, this window pops up and it allows you to edit or redesign the texture in certain ways.